Changing your payout method with First Citizens Bank and Trust is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your payout preferences are updated correctly. Step 1. Log into your account. Access the First Citizens Bank and Trust website or mobile app and log into your account using your username and password. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Select payout methods. In account settings, look for an option labeled Payout Methods or Payment Preferences. Click on this option to view your current payout methods. Step 4. Update your payout method. Choose the payout method you wish to change. You can either edit an existing method or add a new one by providing the necessary information, such as bank account details or payment service information. Step 5. Confirm changes. After making your changes, review the information for accuracy and then save or confirm your changes. You may receive a confirmation email or notification once the update is successful. By following these steps, you can easily change your payout method with First Citizens Bank and Trust. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.